Hey everyone, check out this powerful 21 volts cordless drill driver kit that's perfect for all your DIY projects. It comes with 24 bits and a 25+3 torque position clutch for precise control on any material. The kit includes two 2000 mAh batteries to keep you working longer without interruption. You'll love the 1500 RPM speed that helps you drill quickly and efficiently every time. The built-in LED light illuminates your workspace, making it easier to see in tight or dark areas. Plus, the 3/8-inch keyless chuck allows for fast, tool-free bit changes. This drill driver kit is designed to deliver versatility, power, and convenience in one compact tool. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.